we've purposely not marketed it because our brands are what people know and understand. But when you start to pull together business units that have multiple, it's like, well, we have no choice but to have a milestone card. So, well, we typically look at technologies through the filter of our product categories. So it's to some extent it's biased a little by that opinion, but I still think those that we see will impact the industry in total. One of them is really clear when you walk the show here, and that's interactive. Touch, I mean, how many times have you reached out and tried to touch your monitor and you want it to talk back because you're used to touching your phone and your iPad? So interactivity is definitely going to impact the digital signage market as people start to use that to make the experience more beneficial to whoever their target audience might be. So that's clear, and I think that will have an impact. The one that I also think maybe isn't as clear here, but it'll have, I think, as great an impact, especially, I'm sure we'll talk about the proliferation of devices, but in one of our brands, the Daylight business that makes projection screens, the other one's the chief brand for mounting solutions. In that business, we make a number of rear projection solutions and coated solutions that haven't been great in digital signage because the projectors didn't last long enough. So they'd have a 5,000 hour life, which is great, but in a 24/7 application, you're starting to replace those and service those. Well, the LED and the laser projectors, you're starting to see a few here, are going to be 20,000 hours plus. Now that makes it a viable solution in the digital signage world, and all of a sudden I can have two-sided signage, I can have see-through signage, I can do custom shapes in the shape of a person or a home or whatever I'm trying to advertise. I can roll up a screen when I'm done and put it away so it comes out of the way. So you can envision all of these technologies now being able to enhance that experience as that core technology and projectors gets better. So I'm excited about both of those, but clearly one is more connected to what we do every day. So I think that'll have an impact.
Is that at the show this year?
It is, one of the booths, there's one in the NEC booth here that shows a rear projection. It's a Daylight product. That's a very large rear projection coated acrylic solution. So there's two projectors shining out and you get this massive image. And that shows great for making large images, but I think what'll be really creative is when you change the shape and the form factor. That's when it'll catch people's attention. For example, in the Daylight business, we've actually made a globe that's at the London Stock Exchange that shoots up into the globe, and it's a coated surface, so it looks like the globe is having an image around the whole solution. So just taking that and applying to this industry, I just don't think there's an awareness of those capabilities here. So I'm excited about us trying to build that awareness and then what it can do for the industry even in 2013. So we're just trying to get that message out. When you see technology change like that, but you know it's where it's going, the first thing you do is you have to embrace it, right? You can't fight it, it's where it's going. People are going to use their devices to get information. So you embrace the technology first, and then you integrate it, innovate around it and integrate with it. So instead of fighting like, I want my information here, you just say, well, I'm going to show you an app you can go to that helps you with my solution. I'm going to download something onto your phone. I'm going to use your GPS sensor to help you integrate with my signage to make it more relevant and timely. So I think if the operators look at it as a real opportunity to engage their target audience instead of I've lost control of the message, that's what they need to do to make it relevant. I think they're doing that already, and especially as touch becomes popular, that's simulating the same experience you get on your phone and your iPad or your whatever tablet you might be using. Really look at ways to use that to engage your audience, and I think it can be a great move forward. Yeah, so I think from our brand's perspective, it provides opportunities because there's going to be all sorts of different ways people want to position displays. So on the chief side with the mounting solutions, we're creating all sorts of tablet solutions now. We're doing lockdown places for tables. Every possible place you can imagine in your home, someone wants to put a solution. On the Daylight side, you talk about like the countertops. Daylight has a tremendous amount of coating capability for glass and acrylic, so we can coat the backside of your table and just put an image and display it. So it's going to create opportunities for us to create hardware solutions. Now the hardware solutions, though, I think will only work so well if the content doesn't start to provide more of an integrated experience. Your fridge can't stand alone from your countertop and from your TV and from your phone. If all that stands alone, consumers just won't adopt because that's too much stuff to remember. A simple example, try to remember all your passwords, right? You think, that's just a lot to remember. So now try to figure out, well, how does my TV work compared to my countertop? So the challenge and the transformation required is to make that an ecosystem of signage and information, and when they do that, and that's not simple by any means, especially when you try to control content that's not something that you have at your home. You want to control incoming content to the home. It's going to be a challenge, but I think for it to be successful and really proliferate the home, it's going to have to tie that experience together. I think as we just mentioned, I think the content side is going to require this integration piece. And that's not only if it's in the home or your multiple devices, but even when you see a boardroom where it has an outside sign, and then you walk outside and there's something welcoming you to a building. When you're walking through a shopping center and you see the different types of signage, if that experience is disconnected, you will lose. I think we'll lose consumers. I think they'll tune out. You know what they'll do? They'll go to their phone because I know where to get stuff. So we need to connect that experience to give them something they can't get from their phone. On the hardware side, I think there's an innovation opportunity. So I think that opportunity is both in the mount side and how we present displays. And I think I talked about this at an event, it's now 4 or 5 years ago, about using how you position the display to be as important as what's on the display. Think a little bit more about where exactly is that and how do I use that to make a difference or configure it to catch somebody's eye. But to my note on the rear projection and the projection surfaces, that's where I think we can be really innovative, because that'll create a different look. Everything is a rectangle form factor and are returning them. If we look at two-piece projection, all of a sudden we can change that form factor and catch people's attention, because if we don't innovate in a way that catches your attention from all that digital dust, it's not effective. So I think if we can do those things, and the end of that as well is to stay focused on the key intent of the message. Just because we can do it doesn't mean we should. So we got to stay focused on what we're trying to accomplish and then innovate in those two areas. I think we can get around that dust, but it's going to be a challenge. There's a lot of information that comes at you every day. So that's not going to be easy. Sure, there's two of them for our business. First, I'll start with the Chief brand, where we make all the mounting solutions. Even though I talk a lot about the two-piece projection capabilities, we see the commercial display market growing double digits for a number of years. It's a 10% growth type market, and there just aren't that many of those markets in today's economy. So we're definitely focused on our development efforts, which is obvious at this show, where we're launching video wall solutions for on a cart. You want to roll it around, you want to put it on a wall, you want to hang it from the ceiling. We know that's going to be a common theme, and so we're very focused on that market. And we've learned that as it's grown, those are difficult installations. So our engineers have spent a lot of time installing products and saying, we got to make this easier for the installers, improve that end user experience. I don't want a video wall that looks like it's hanging 5 degrees off angle. You start to focus on that, not what's on the video wall. You need to sell the image, not how it looks and hanging on the ceiling. So the Chief brand's been very focused on that and excited to show a lot of new products here and throughout the year at the different trade shows. On the daylight side, it's back to that two-piece projection capability in the digital signage market. So we have a lot of things we're doing in the AV market there, but for this market in particular, it's getting that message out. It's a capabilities and technology message that I take people on tours through our chemistry facility, where we make all these coatings and materials, right from bags of chemicals to materials, and they get done, they're like, this is incredible. I didn't know there was technology. I'm thinking to myself, how do I get everybody to know that message so they can tap into that technology to create solutions for their customers? And so that's part of our challenge for this year, and I think an exciting part of our challenge. Seeing what can be done, I think would help, and I had a discussion with a longtime colleague in the AV market today, and I was describing this, and he's like, I know all about projection. I've used it in AV, in the traditional place where I never really put together how we can maybe use that to really push forward opportunities in digital signage. So I think there's a message that we're going to spend time on this year to get out. So I think people are getting that more and more. I think this show has helped. The Digital Signage Expo and the team has really helped build awareness to that. People have always been talking about the black box and what is it and who's going to bring it together, but it's come together. It's matured as a market. The difficulty is the way we consume content as consumers changes so rapidly. And this market is really linked right to that change, so it's just going to evolve. We just have to get comfortable with this is going to be a rapidly evolving market. It's a journey, not a destination, that kind of process. And I think once we get comfortable with that, I think people are understanding it more and more. So the Digital Signage Expo is the place where Chief and Daylight come to network, get connected, show our technology, and learn about new technology about the digital signage market.